So I'm just going to work on this. Just got to take it out the VESA mount first. Got 2 screws on the back. I should have, it's only got 1 on this one. Usually there's a USB A to B to A little cable that loops over, but they got one on at the minute. Otherwise you have to remove that first. There's a screw on the back. This is the bit that gets everybody the first dollar work on it. It just pulls forward like that. There you go, there's your SSD on this one. There should have been another screw there, there ain't. There's one here. So you move this little caddy thing. It's got a little cable on it there, so be careful, but I ain't going to touch that. There's your RAM, and obviously your CPU's underneath here, and there's your fan, CMOS battery, everything. One SATA cable by the looks of it. There's some jumpers on the board as well, I don't know what they're for, but that's it. Well, put it back together. All the screws are the same by the looks of it, so you ain't got to worry about it. That is it.